Alright, what's going on? Hope everybody had a good Christmas, good New Year. Megan and I are currently ending 2021 down with the sickness. If you know what I'm saying. But was able to kind of turn a negative into a positive. It's given me some time to sit down and edit these videos. So hope y'all enjoy our late 2020, 2021 year in review show. High five. Okay, I'm going.
Is it fun?
Yeah, it was so much easier in the book.
Yeah, look at all that coming off your bike.
Oh, God.
Well, I picked up a Honda Grom.
All right, go Lightning McQueen. Certified rider. Oh, You're right. God, you on? Good job. Oh. Okay. Stand up, babe. Walk it off. Hey, babe. We might just continue up and come back and meet you.
Yeah, do that. This is only my second day of riding. We didn't think it was going to be this rough.
Oh my God, there was a drop off there.
We're filming. We are currently doing like a 4-day riding camp trip, riding some of the BDR.
All right, let day 2 begin. Today is Megan's first day of riding, and she didn't drop her motorcycle.
What? I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, you didn't drop your bike not one time today.
Oh my God.
Today we are at Shenandoah National Park. $15. Oh my god! That was nice.
guys, welcome back to the channel. We're switching it up a little bit today.
Shoo, let's go. Oh my gosh. You look so legit.
I have no clue what I'm doing. Pick it till you lick it.
This is crazy looking.
It doesn't feel like we're in Virginia.
No, like these rocks are unreal.
Let me look at this way. We are North Carolina,
we're somewhere in North
Virginia.
Carolina.
I have no idea.
Oh my god, look at the size of this
This is
thing.
why I didn't get more than half a dozen. I wanna know what
Look
it
at
is.
the size of this thing.
That's what I'm saying.
That's my face. This was the best idea. Alright, today's the big day. There you go, look at that. That roll. Hey! You know what? There has to be a fast way to do this. Let's go! And we are straight up glamping right now. Check this out. We got full cell phone signal. I got some lights hooked up on the tent. We got electricity. And up.
Wow. Jesus!
You got it?
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at you.
Shut up.
Oh god.
I'm down. I'm good though.
Oh man, that. You might as well run through the Enchanted Creek again. What's up, buddy? Oh my god. We're turning around.
Yeah, this is too muddy.
I ain't stopping left. Megan's not feeling too well today. Finally got my dad out here on the 390, taking his first cruise on a dual sport. Oh my god. Come on, baby. What'd you do?
I passed my test.
On a great adventure. Alright, so I guess we're loaded up. And we are about to take off. Head back over to Deal's Gap. That's some other cool roads. Where are we heading to, baby?
Lingman's Dome.
Here's the view. Here's what it would look like if it wasn't foggy. Get us some fire. Come on, eat. Alright, so we're about to leave our little cabin we stayed in. Woo! We're here! Okay, if you could fill that out for me. Alright, so we are both now registered to ride the Pan America.
It feels so different. It's springy.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. I want to say dad brake right here.
Yeah, right here.
I think he hit this mud and hit the bank. It's probably his marks right there.
He didn't make it that far?
No, he didn't make it very far.
Huh. Well, I made it further than John so far, so that's... Taller than me.
Doing pretty good.
Congratulations. Thank you.
Alright, apparently we got a pit bike gang in the neighborhood now. Woohoo! This one's kind of deep if I remember right. Keep on. Oh yeah, this is getting rough.
Yeah.
Whoa, you're good. You're good. Guess what, Megan?
We're done. Woo! And I didn't crash!
Yeah!
Ah!
Alright, you want to end this?
Damn it.
Yeah.
Don't ruin it.
You want to end it?
Oh, yeah. Peace out.